This is a self-closing door. And if you're like me and you're tired of your kids always leaving it open, stick around and I'll show you how to install self-closing door hinges. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name is Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Step 1. Buy some self-closing door hinges. I'll leave the links in the description below. I got this one from Berlin Modish. They were nice enough to send me them for this installation. The pack came with everything you need to install 2 door hinges. They're fairly inexpensive, of about $24 at the time of this video. Step 2. Open the desired door and remove the existing hinge that you will be replacing by removing the screws. I decided to do the middle one first, as I was going to try to install only one hinge on this door. Step 3. Remove the existing hinge and place the self-closing door hinge in its place. Use the provided screws for the installation. Use your drill and install the screws to the door frame first. Then install the screws into the door side. This is what it looks like on the back side when the door is closed. Now we'll be applying the tension to the hinge. It is a good idea to review the instructions that come with your hinge. Next, take the provided Allen key and insert it from the top. You will rotate it clockwise if your door opens like mine from right to left, or rotate it clockwise if your door opens from left to right. As you apply tension, you will use this pin and place it into one of these holes. Keep in mind how many holes you turn, since the instructions say 90-degree open doors, you can't go past 4 holes. Continue to use the pin and the Allen key to move it clockwise until the desired tension is achieved. Step 5. Use one of these provided pins and push it into one of these holes while holding the Allen key in tension like shown in the video. Then test your door to see if it was enough. I ended up adding another hinge on the top since the middle hinge wasn't enough tension. I was pretty pleased with the 2 hinge results. That's it. Hit that like button and subscribe.